Well, the tools we use, the most important thing, they're what keeps us alive and going home every evening. It's very important to be able to trust your tools. They're a matter of life and death.
We enjoy working with Mark and the team here at ITL simply because they've got a great product. We've built up a great relationship with them over the years and we'll continue to work with them for many years to come.
We want to build a legacy. That's the greatest thing you can do, is have a company like this with a brand that's recognised by people everywhere. India, Middle East, Australia, North America, Canada, Mexico. We've built a brand.
You have to trust the tool that you're using, and with ITL, that's what you can do.